Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the AULA F99 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out. The AULA F99 Pro is a versatile and feature-packed mechanical keyboard designed to cater to gamers, professionals, and enthusiasts alike. Its tri-mode connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired, allows seamless switching between up to 5 devices, making it an excellent choice for multi-device users who need flexibility without the hassle of multiple keyboards. One of the standout features of the F99 Pro is its innovative gasket structure combined with PCB single key slotting. This design enhances typing comfort by providing a softer, more elastic feel, reducing finger fatigue during long typing or gaming sessions. The keyboard also incorporates 5 layers of silencer filling between the PCB, positioning plate, and switches, effectively minimizing noise and delivering a satisfying creamy sound with every keystroke. This makes it ideal for users who want mechanical feedback without the loud clatter. Customization is another strong suit of this keyboard. It comes with hot-swappable switches and keycaps, including pullers, enabling users to easily swap out 3-pin or 5-pin switches without soldering. The pre-lubed linear switches offer a smooth and fast response, perfect for both gaming and typing. Additionally, the keyboard supports extensive RGB lighting with 16 million colors, 16 lighting effects, and music rhythm sync, which adds an immersive atmosphere to your setup. Functionality-wise, the F99 Pro offers macro customization and in-key rollover, ensuring that multiple simultaneous key presses register accurately, a crucial feature for competitive gaming. The inclusion of a multifunctional knob adds tactile control for volume or other customizable functions, enhancing user convenience. Pros: tri-mode connectivity with easy switching between 5 devices, hot-swappable switches and keycaps for full customization, gasket structure and silencing layers for a soft, quiet typing experience, extensive RGB lighting with music sync and macro support, in-key rollover for precise gaming inputs, multifunctional knob for added control. Cons: creamy sound and softer feel may not appeal to those who prefer a clicky, tactile feedback, slightly premium price point compared to basic mechanical keyboards. Overall, the AULA F99 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard is a fantastic option for users seeking a flexible, quiet, and highly customizable keyboard that performs well for both work and play. Don't forget, the link to get this keyboard at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. Make sure to grab yours while the offer lasts.